Hello, welcome back to the SMART Tech2Tech video series on the SMART Board M600 interactive whiteboard. This is the second session in the series where we will conduct a technology overview of the SBM. Similar to SMART's premium offering, the SMART Board 800 series interactive whiteboard, the M600 uses SMART's patented DVI-T camera technology. The next window digital signal processor, DSP controller, is mounted or attached to the back of the interactive whiteboard, providing a concealed location to complete wiring and cabling connections. As previously introduced, the M600 is offered with 3 different pin tray or ledge options depending on the specific solution requirements of the installation. Infrared or IR is distributed by light-emitting diodes or LEDs in each corner of the interactive whiteboard adjacent to the 4 DVI-T cameras. The IR is reflected by the bezels, creating a plane across the surface of the board. The DVI-T cameras look for pin-up and down interactions, recording these reflections as mouse movements, digital ink, or gestures, for example. Although only 2 DVI-T cameras are required to triangulate touch targets, the addition of 2 additional cameras increase accuracy and provide the ability for multi-gestures. The DSP controller is the brain of the operation, managing power, storing calibration and orientation data, triangulating touch targets, and processing camera images. As previously mentioned, it is mounted or attached to the back of the interactive whiteboard and is field replaceable. There will be more to share on field replacement in the servicing module of the video series. Power, USB, and I2C, as appropriate, are connected at the DSP controller. The intelligent pin tray options communicate with the DSP controller via the I2C bus. For the pin tray with projector control option to function correctly, the projector control harness must be connected to the projector and pin tray. This option also provides 5-volt direct current, 2 amp power directly from the smart projector, alleviating the need for a separate supply to power the interactive whiteboard. The M600 pin tray and ledge options also ship standard with 2 pins. Although it varies across the surface of the board, on average, the contact height of user interactions takes place at approximately 2.5 millimeters above the surface of the board. This provides an excellent overall user experience, providing the right consistency of touch sensitivity and accuracy. As noted previously, triangulation only requires 2 cameras, enabling the M600 to perform with limited functionality with as few as 2 cameras. In closing, if you have further questions regarding the technology utilized in the SMART Board M600 interactive whiteboard, please check SMART Support Center at the listed URL, search the knowledge base using the available filters and keywords, or contact SMART's technical support using one of the listed options. Thank you again for viewing the second session in the SMART Tech2Tech video series on the SMART Board M600 interactive whiteboard.